Hello, I'm Dutch Hancock. On this episode of Shop Talk, we're going to talk about the importance of the length of screws that we use in our screw upgrade option. In our last episode, we talked about the two differences in the screws, but this time we're going to talk about length and so on and so forth. So, typically on a fence, you've got your horizontal boards. Those are called, we call them the rails. They're the horizontal members that connect between the posts. We're going to consider this a top view of the rail. With our screw upgrade, if we have just a single layer of picket to go through, then we have three different sizes of screws that we use: an inch and a half, a 2.5, and then a 3 1/4. And the reason we like having three different sizes is in single board applications, when we put the screw in and set it, you can see we get some nice deep penetration into the rail, and that makes for a good bond. Typically on a board-on-board situation, we have two layers of pickets, which doubles the thickness there, so we've got to move up to the 2.5-inch screw. So with that screw, you can see we go through both pickets and we still get good penetration on the rail, and it's almost coming out the back. There's about 3/16 of an inch down there. And then to put the icing on the cake, after we put the trim on the top layer of the board-on-board, now you'll see there's 3 layers of pickets that we have to go through in order to get into the rail. So that's where the 3 1/4-inch screw comes in. We use that for all our single and double trim applications, and you can see it goes all the way through the board and almost through the entire rail again. So we get maximum penetration in all 3 scenarios into the rail. Very important. If you're using a screw that's too short, like this one, and this is exaggerated, but the screw that's too short, it'll attach it to the board that's under it, but that's all. We believe all the strength comes from the rail, and that's where we want to be. So, choose Hancock fence, get that screw upgrade, and you'll be happy you did. They work fantastic, and we're very proud of them, and hope you learned something today. Thank you.